Good. Don't do that! Don't touch me, mister. Stop polluting the air. I just bit my tongue. Oh my gosh. You're giving me diarrhea. Ow. Doesn't take much to give you diarrhea. Don't do that.
So, that broccoli I had earlier, I don't even
Hold on.
Oh.
Oops.
Oops.
What kind of cheese is this, Orlin?
Cheese.
Orlin, what type of cheese is this?
Cheese.
What type of cheese is this?
The one you made.
That's not the one I made. The one I made...
You guys keep saying to me, oh, you have to, stop eating. Apparently, I'm eating too much. Mmm. Can you not? Can you not do that?
It was an accident.
No, it wasn't.
Yes, it was.
You pushed that.
No.
Those neighbors. They're getting out of control. Brace! Brace! Brace!